Okay, out in Cheektowaga, looking at doing a sliding glass door, replacing this window. So the window's offset. Actually, it's centered to the room because the room wall is there, but it's offset to the back wall, which is no big deal. And I was thinking an 8-foot deck would suit them, but they're going to want to come out 10 foot. So if we go from edge to edge of cinder block, we're 17 foot wide, and then we can do maybe another 6 inches and get us a stair delivery to deliver onto the concrete right around there, right alongside of that downspout. Okay, and come out this way 10 foot. And then this would be raining across the back. They get a lot of sun here, so we're going to option to do a retractable awning. I'm also option to bring this peak out, depending what the budget is. There is a heat duct over on this side and over on this side, so the least expensive labor-wise is going to be utilizing that same opening. That's about a 6 foot wide door, 6 foot to 6'6". We can get in. Probably put the fixed unit on this side here, so the slider operable is going to be over there, and that way that won't interfere with any of their tables and chairs that they're going to have here. But that 2 foot will make a big difference, going from 8 to 10 foot. So, but yeah, coming out with a reverse gable would make a whole lot of sense here too. Now that I'm here doing this, so we'll see what we choose. I don't know. We got some high ground here. I don't know what that's in. Hopefully that's not an old septic or something crazy like that, but we'll find out. That is not within the 10 foot mark, so that's good.